show you care from the little I have. I'll protect you, show you how I love you. No matter what we are passing through, I will love you with my whole life. You are the best choice I made. You are the best choice I made. Nothing will come in between us. From my heart I say I do. Thinking of you gives me happiness and joy.
Aqua Eke. Yeah. My daughter.
Yes, Papa.
I called you out here because you are my only daughter. And as such, you know I will always want the best for you. Very soon I'll be traveling to Ghana to see your elder brother. So I want you to remain the good girl you have always been. I don't want to hear or see you jumping around this village with these boys.
The way you're sounding, as if I'm not going to get married someday.
Of course, my daughter, you will get married. But it has to be with the right man.
Papa, what do you mean by the right man?
Akweke, what I mean is, I will never give your hand in marriage to any poor man. Any man that will come here to marry you must be rich, wealthy. And that person must assure your mother and I that he will take good care of you. No, when you look at your skin, you want to marry someone that will turn it to dark because he cannot afford it.
Wow. Oh. No, Papa.
Now, I'm glad you're beginning to see things my way. I'm glad you're beginning to understand where I'm coming from.
Papa, this is why you're so happy.
Only my dear boys.
Like we'll use chicken to cook soup today.
Are you hungry for chicken?
Yes, Papa.
Maybe we can find one.
Thank you, Papa. Let me go back to what I was saying.
Alright.
Thank you, Papa. So very soon you'll be going to the NYSC camp.
Yes, so my sister. Are you not happy for me?
Of course I'm happy for you. Education is a good thing. It's just unfortunate that I didn't get the chance to. If not, by now I should be going to the camp with you.
That's true.
Oh wait, sister. Is it true that when I get close to university, she'll get herself a good and worthy husband to marry?
Of course. Education is key to everything. No reasonable man would want to marry an entity or an illiterate as a wife. I can remember back in school days how many men that stopped their cars just to talk to me. So my sister, once you go to school, which way do you want to rush you? Not all this bigger, small boys around.
Hey! That means after my secondary school, I'll go to university like you. So that when the husband will come on mine.
Of course, you won't like it. Akweke. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Okay, if you say so. Okay, now come let me see you. I'm coming back later.
Is not rich. Even if I decide to give him the opportunity, how do we cope? Isioma is right. I think I'm in love with him. I'll need to give him a chance. Let's see where it leads us.
Akweke.
Mama.
What is happening? You look so worried. Is everything alright?
Mama, I'm fine.
Why are you not preparing for market?
You worry too much, Mama. I'm okay. I'm not a child anymore, Mama. I'll still go to the market.
I have to worry. Whatever that concerns you, concerns me. Have you forgotten you are my only daughter?
Mama, stop this thing you're using to deceive me. Only daughter that you and Papa will not allow to rest.
Why should I allow you to
Let me
rest?
see what you brought out.
Any other person?
Nothing. You just want me to buy something for you if I'm coming back from the market.
You have to buy. You have to buy something for me. Yeah.
Mama, let me go and get it.
Wow, where will I be like you? You're already like me. If you were not like me, you will not be my partner in this workshop. Yeah, I agree with you, but I believe there are things you know that you don't want to tell me. Experience, time. As you begin to do this work and get better in it, you will know where to touch an engine and it will respond. Anyway, I think your own knowledge comes from Siga.
So fine, eh? Thank you. At least you didn't come back the same way you left.
No.
You've seen the 4 walls of the university. For me, I couldn't further my education because we don't have money. And you know my father is so overprotective of me.
Okay, don't worry. Ungo, God knows the best, okay? Someday when you get married, your husband might decide to put you in one of the best institutions that does part-time.
Amen. I pray so.
Don't worry. Hey, what do you want to go and buy in the market?
You do know? Things I'm using to make my over.
I was even preparing to go and meet my mother in the market. Let me go inside and get dressed so we go together.
Oh no. Actually rushing to deliver one of my friends.
Quick. Who is that?
Oh, it's not someone you know.
Yes, so bad, I will see you later in the market now.
Okay.
I
missed you.
I missed you.
Welcome. Thank you. Are you the owner of this shop?
Yes. Okay. What's wrong with your car?
I don't know. The car has been jacking. I'm sure you noticed when I came.
Yes, I know. Even the sound. Yes.
Please check what the problem is.
Okay. When was the last time you serviced your injector?
It's been a while. It's been a while.
Okay, I suspect the whole firing system. Yes, I noticed when you were coming in, it's not firing well. Although first thing I'll do is to plug a system in it and check it. Plug my machine. After that, whatever I see, I'll tell you. But I suspect the injector. So after that, most likely I'll service the injector, change the plugs. When did you change the plugs last?
It's been a long I've been so busy.
I know. Check. So I'll do that service injector, change the plugs, and then I'll just drain the oil, general servicing. Then if the system sees anything, I'll let you.
And all this you will do in a space of?
A few hours will be done. I'm one of the best in this town.
Yeah,
I'll go on.
It's alright. So how much?
Usually, if I do all these things, I always charge from 40,000 but give me 30.
30,000.
Wow. It's not much.
It's on the high side. I never expected I would be asked to pay that kind of amount.
This place is highest, so you can tell you, go to this whole town. My machine is the best. Once I plug it, you just go straight and tell me what. Okay.
Alright, no problem. As long as you get the car running, I'm fine.
Yeah, nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Give me the key. I have a seat there, you can sit down.
Okay. Please, be fast.
Okay. Let me park the car well.
Okay.
Dikeh! Who is in the house? Dikeh! Are you sure somebody is in this house? Miss Oma. Come.
Let's just knock. Maybe the mother is inside.
Are you sure somebody is in this house? Because everywhere looks so silent.
Let's knock. Maybe the mother is inside.
Are you sure?
Let's knock first.
Yeah, go ahead and knock. Let's knock.
I should knock?
Yeah, let's knock.
Okay.
Good day, ma.
Oh, my children. You are welcome.
Yes, ma.
Mama, do you remember me? Your face looks familiar.
this your hair is fine. Especially the red color. Yeah, I'll make it too.
Ada, what are you even saying?
What am I not saying?
Mama, who made this hair for you? Red hair for that matter. Don't the person know that you are an old woman?
Once in a while, I have to do a colorful hair to look young like you girls.
Yeah.
Don't you know I was once like you?
Are you saying that at this age, you made this red hair just because you want to look young like us? I don't understand.
Who doesn't want to look young? You ask too many questions. Who doesn't want to be young? Eh? Who doesn't want to be young? Yeah, it's fine, Biko.
Why are you being angry unnecessarily?
I'm not being angry, I'm just telling you. Hey! And you should go and make it.
I am everywhere, Biko. Oh yeah. Come. I don't know what is wrong with her.
Because she's getting me self, man. Like I'm meeting it. Come inside now. Come on.
Yes, ma. Mama, do you now remember me?
Of course I do. And that's friend.
Yes, ma. Well done, ma.
And who is she?
She's my friend. Her name is Imesoma.
Hey, such a fine girl.
Yes, sir. She's a fine girl. Gelio.
Ada traveled to the city without informing me.
No, Mama. It was urgent. Dimeje was away. Yes.
Dimeje Mama herself. Dimeje is not happy about it because he said she told her just a day before she left for that travel.
Mama, I'm sorry about that. But she's the reason we are here. Yes. She said we should come and tell Dimeje that she'll be coming back very soon.
Oh. Mama, Dimeje is not even at home. He went to his mechanic workshop.
In that case, Mama, let us go there and give him the good news.
Yes. Let's meet him there. Thank you very much. Hey, Mama. Hey.
What's happening now? I've been sitting there for more than a few hours and you promised to fix this car. Why is it taking so long?
Well, this is your car damaged very well.
What do you mean, my car damaged well? When I came in here, you gave me the impression that this was a piece of cake. You know what? It's okay. Alright? Forget it. Let me take it to somewhere else before you cause more damage to it. Yeah. Just shut the bonnet. Take those things off.
Okay, wait. It has not gotten to that. Let me finish. I've not finished.
Shut the bonnet for me.
Yeah.
Go to the car.
No, I said I've not finished.
The car is not starting. What else are you fixing? Because I can't see any loose ends here.
Yeah. Be patient. I've not finished. It's not as if I can't fix this car. My room camera is steady. Just wait. It's not camera. Huh? Yeah.
You have to fix this car right now. Here. If you don't want to rot in jail, fix this car now.
Wait now. Slow down. You're not rushing it.
I'm not patient. I know your type.
Hello? Let me...
Yeah, explain, yeah. Please, I need you to send some of your boys to mechanic. Yeah, mechanic workshop. Yes, the one by the village road. Yes, right away. You cannot believe such a nitwit I brought my car to fix a minor problem. Just rendered my car useless. The car is not starting. Yes, my Camry. I'm waiting, sir. Thank you.
Oh, slow down now. You are not got taken about police. I'm not finished. Slow down. Let me finish the car. I never said I can't fix it. Ask all these people. I'm not looking at every day. Slow down. Yes, I don't like this thing. So need to go and call police. Slow down. Let me be patient. Let me fix the car.
I'm Eze from SAS office. OC Sasha should bring you. Oh yeah, move it.
Officer, he has not got into this now.
Follow me.
Boss, wait now.
Follow me.
Beg them now. Let them not take me.
Officer, wait now.
Arrest this guy. Let us leave here. I don't have time. Come, let us take this guy away.
Wait, Oga, please just wait. I just called our second Oga. He said he is on his way. Just patient, he will soon be here.
I don't have time. I don't have patience for this. Okay, officer, move this guy.
See. He has more experience than me.
Yes.
Oh, really? So someone is more experienced than you.
I'm sorry now. I didn't know. Please, now he hasn't gotten to this. We'll take care of this thing. It's not a problem.
Yes.
You know what?
Officer, cool down now. Usually
I don't do this. But because of the way you have spoken, I am going to give you a little window. Small. If he doesn't show up in record time, forget the gentleman look. I will pull my clothes.
Don't worry, we'll fix this guy.
He will soon be here. He will soon be here. Officer,
please. Hasn't got into this.
Just let him be for now. Okay? Let's wait for his so-called Oga. Let's wait.
Why are you talking like this now? Okay, don't expose me here now. When I will come here by every day. You know now. Is he American sir? I didn't know. Don't shout.
What has he done?
Masama, are you asking me that question? If you ask me, who I want to ask?
Okay, Ichoma, let's go in and find out what he has done.
Hey, this girl. Let's go where?
Let's go in and find out that what he has done. Look the way they are dragging him now.
Let's go inside there.
Yes, now.
And find out something is wrong with you. Don't you know that if what he has done is a criminal offense, if we get in there, they will arrest us?
Why? But we are not criminals now.
I gotta explain to them. For me, I'm leaving.
Choma, you come here. Choma, what's that?
Is it okay now?
I'm afraid the starting sensor has gone bad. And when it goes bad, it must affect the brain box.
And the fuse is in disarray.
This car cannot start except these things I mentioned are fixed.
Okay. I don't understand. Ordinary jacking. Small jacking. And I brought my car here. This imposter leaped out and said he was the god of Camry. Said he was going to fix whatever that was wrong with the car. Just look at. My car cannot even start. This guy has rendered me immobile. Look at.
It's okay. He's not an imposter, okay? Dumeje, what he has said, is it true?
No, that's not how it happened. I never called myself God of Camry. I never said that. I just said I can fix the car. I now started fixing it. He was just shouting. I told him, be patient, let me fix this car. He went to start the car. I'm sure that was when this thing happened. Because I was not done. He could do something, he could.
Domeje, you see that thing I always tell you? Sometimes when you don't understand these things, you wait until I come back. Look, follow them to the station. I will find a way around this.
Hey, take this guy now! Take this guy away!
What else you...
Wait, let me just talk.
What else would I do?
What is it? Dumeje?
Please, let me talk to her. She's very important to me. Let me explain to her, Biko.
Dumeje, what happened?
I don't know. Yeah? I don't know. Somebody brought this... Okay, he brought calf for me to fix. You know me very well. I'm not all the time. I started this one. I don't know what happened. And in the process, some things were damaged. I don't have money to replace those things they're talking about. They want to take me to the police station.
Please, no, hold on, please. Okay, how much is it? How much are we talking about here?
Look, the damage done to this car will cost 60,000 naira to fix. 60,000 naira.
Okay.
Don't you know how much the sensor alone is? Then the brain box has to be fine-tuned.
Yes.
Is it up to that?
Are you doubting my integrity?
Sorry.
I will find a way around it. Go with them.
Okay, please don't take him away, please. Just hold on, I'm coming. Don't take him away.
What is going on here? This is turning into a wild chase. What is happening here?
Can we maintain some police from upstairs? Let's wait for you.
Are you really going to pay such huge amount of money just to free him? Anyway, let's say ambush. Let's see the outcome. So they may actually date him? Yeah! How do you know? Isn't that obvious? Or do you think any girl will risk such huge sum of money just to free him if they don't have any affair? There is point in what you just said. No problem, dear. Let's see what will happen, We will be here. We will see the outcome, the last result of what is going on now. We'll see if she will come back with that money. Now you are talking. Now you are talking. Let's stay here and wait and see what will happen.
Take this guy away! Guys, save us! Take this guy away! Mr. Man is not to my time! Patient!
How long has she been gone?
4 hours! I've been here since morning!
I demand some...
Officer, let us go!
Leave him alone! Where is the money?
Officer, collect it.
Leave the money on that. Wait.
Nice one, please. Give it to him.
Do you start my class?
When did you start buying spare
Oga,
parts?
2 hours. I'm giving you guys 2 hours to get my car fixed, or there will be consequences.
Oh, okay, go on.
Serious one. Officer, let us sit here and wait for the traffic. 2 hours.
It's okay. I couldn't stand there and watch them take you away. Ha! Sorry.
Remove the top cylinder, then remove the alternator. Let me go and buy parts. And listen, if you add more damage to this car, you will bear the consequences.
Sir, that is why I said let me go and buy the parts. Because this is new model. I've not used this kind of car before.
If you mention buying parts again, I will curse you. Lose the engine. Lose the engine!
I should lose the engine. Come now, come help me and lose this thing now.
Okay, my boss now. Stop calling me.
Believe this. So, Akweke just gave a whole of 60,000 for the Naija for free.
But I told you they were having an affair, but you didn't believe me. Now you have seen it yourself.
Hey!
I told you. I saw it. You think I was blind?
This girl is very smart. Hey!
Adao. No, tell her everything. You must tell her that everything.
Hey! What have I done? What have I done? I can't believe I used my entire savings, including the money I was supposed to go to the market with, just to save Dumeje. Hey! Chineke, what will I tell my mother? Hey! Hey! Akweke. Mama, what is going on? Nothing, what Mama. Is the problem? Mama, nothing. You don't look fine. Huh? Anyway, why the earlier on? Mama, that time, if you see what was happening, I was rushing to save a friend that was in trouble. Is that the reason you could not even answer me when I was calling you? Mama, you will not understand. Then, make me understand. Akwugum, Adoma, Akwema no Gimabo, Ofum Uranya Joni is Yogo. You don't get it. Mama, whatever the problem is, tell me. Mama, don't worry, it's okay, nothing. You don't understand. major one. What is it?
I've quit my job.
Why?
I don't want to be mechanic.
Hey!
For 6 months, you have grown into a big woman, a beautiful woman. Oh my goodness! Hey, let's go inside so that I'll show you what I have for you. Come on! Come on, baby! Let's go! Come on! I want to get a little ankle.
I'll give you that, man.
Yeah!
Come on. I'm going to talk.
This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be fun I am. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be fun I am. I will show you care from the little I have. I will protect you, show you how I love you. No matter what we are passing through, I will love you with my whole life. You are the best choice I made. You are the best choice I made. Nothing will come in between us. From my heart I say I do. Thinking of you gives me happiness. Enjoy that no bounds. We will pass through rain and sun. And thorns, I will protect you. You have given me reason to smile. You are the reason I'm happy now. So you and I will live forever, no matter what we face, baby. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, fading, unshakable.
Yes.
This is love.
Hey, Alpha, is it okay now?
I'm afraid the starting sensor has gone bad. And when it goes bad, it must affect the brain box. And the fuse is in disarray. Hey. This car cannot start except these things I mentioned are fixed.
Oga, I don't understand. Ordinary jacking. Small jacking. And I brought my car here. This imposter leaped out and said he was the god of Camry. Said he was going to fix whatever that was wrong with the car. Just look at. My car cannot even start. This guy has rendered me immobile. Look at.
It's okay, it's okay. He's not an imposter, okay? Dumeje, what he has said, is it true?
No, that's not how it happened. I never called myself God of Camry. I never said that. I just said I can fix the car. I now started fixing it. He was just shouting. I told him, be patient, let me fix this car. He went to start the car. I'm sure that was when this thing happened. Because I was not done. You could do something, Nico. Huh?
Dumeje, you see that thing I always tell you? Sometimes when you don't understand these things, you wait until I come back. Look, follow them to the station. I will find a way around this.
Hey, take this guy now! Take this guy away!
What else you want?
Okay, wait, let me just talk. What else can I do?
What is it? Dumeje?
Please let me talk to her. She's very important to me. Let me explain to her, Nico.
Dumeje, what happened?
I don't know. Yeah? I don't know. Somebody bought this. Okay, he brought car for me to fix. You know me very well. I don't come here all the time. I said this one. I don't know what happened. In the process, some things were damaged. I don't have money to replace those things they're talking about. They want to take me to the police station.
Please, no, hold on, please. Okay, how much is it? How much are we talking about here?
Look, the damage done to this car will cost 60,000 naira to fix. 60,000 naira.
Okay.
Don't you know how much the sensor alone is? Then the brain box has to be fine-tuned.
Yes.
Are you doubting my integrity? I will find a way around it. Go with them.
Okay, please don't take him away, please. Just hold on, I'm coming. Don't take him away.
True love. It is
What is happening here?
This is love. Hope more. He be fun I am. I will show you care from the little I have. I'll protect you, show you how I love you. No matter what we are passing through, I will love you with my whole life. You are the best choice I made. You are the best choice I made. Nothing will come in between us. From my heart I say I do. Thinking of you gives me happiness and joy that no bounds. We will pass through rain and sun.
Officer, let us take this guy away. Guys, save us! Take this guy away! Mr. Man, listen to my time! Listen!
How long has she been gone?
4 hours! I've been here since morning!
I demand some.
Officer, let us go!
Where's the money?
Officer, collect it.
Leave the money, okay? Wait.
This is love, true love. It is unchanging, fading, unshakable. This is love. Hope you more, he be fun I am. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope you more, he be fun I am. Hope you more, don't cry no more. I'm here with you. Though the suffering is too much, the pain is too great, but it won't last forever. Smile for me, girl. We are in this together.
Ọ̀dọ̀ mi ńkọ́, ọ̀dọ̀ mi nsai, ọ̀dọ̀ ni Bwaye. This whole compound is a mess. I don't want to believe that Akweke is still sleeping by now, when she should have been up to do her normal house chores. Akweke! 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 Good morning, my beautiful wife. Please go and wake your daughter up. Look at this whole compound is a mess. And she's still sleeping by now.
Nai, please take it easy. She might be tired. Remember we didn't go to bed on time last night. Because of the story you're telling us about Ghana.
Even at that, she ought to have woken up. Or has she forgotten she's a woman? And she'll be up early enough to do those basic things in the house like I taught her.
Butu, let me go and wake her up. Come out here.
My wife, come. Let me tell you. Let me tell you what they call this in Ghana. Odo yewu, odo minko, odo minsai, odo ni Bwaye.
Nanye, ebiawa, biko Butu. Kena don here na do ka nga pote ya. Kekwa nke odo mi se.
Please go and wake her up. I'll be here with you. Where is she?
She's not in her room. Neither is she anywhere around this house.
Norma,
No.
tell me the truth. Has Akweke started seeing a man?
No. None that I know of. But why do you ask?
I have a feeling that your daughter is hiding something.
Something like what?
I really can't place it. But henceforth, I'll put my eyes on the ground to confirm that is not what I'm thinking.
You are here, sir. Why?
Yes, where is Dumeje?
Dumeje is no longer with us.
How?
You see, after that incident yesterday, he decided to quit.
Why? I paid the money.
Yes, he paid the money, but he said he needed to quit because so that he doesn't want to face this kind of embarrassment again.
This is indeed sad.
Yeah, it's indeed sad. Quickly, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for yesterday. If not you, Dumeje would have been in police cell right now.
It's fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
But please, can you direct me to his house?
His house is a little bit far from here. 2 streets from here. Tekno Street. Yes.
That's Okenwa Street now?
Yes, beside the Okenwa Street.
Okay.
Yes.
I should just ask anybody about Dumeje.
Once you get there, just ask any young man Dumeje's house. They will show you.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Okay, please, do you know the way to Dumeje's house?
Dumeje?
Yes, Dumeje.
Take the road by your left. When you get there, when you get to that Catholic church there, ask people around, they will show you.
Okay, my left.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Alright.
Take care, bye-bye.
What was she asking you?
She asked me the road to Dumeje's house.
Me, I'm tired. I'm not going anywhere with you again. I'm tired of following you since morning, eh? Me, I'm tired now. See, go and carry me somewhere so you guys can go together. So you can complete your journey. I'm tired. I'm not going again. Why can't we following one person since morning? Are you not tired? Me, I'm tired if you're not.
How can you just go back like that?
Why won't I go back?
Wait. Let me just follow her and finish this one. Let's finish this business. Know where she's going to.
I'm not tired. I'm not going anywhere. Continue. Go and call me somewhere, please.
Go. I'll go and call Mr. will follow me. We will know where she's going to. We will know her movement. Every movement she makes in this village, I must know.
Before I brought you food, I was on my way to the market to get the things I will use to make Oba for tomorrow. Okay. So when I saw those men trying to take you away, I couldn't stand it. I had to rush back home, brought the remaining money I've saved for some time now, added it to what I have and then gave it to you.
Try. Just for me. That means you don't even have money for your business anymore. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. And I'm really grateful for what you did. I'm grateful. I promise you, I'll pay you back. Okay, I'll find the money. I don't know where I'll get it from, but I will find it. I'll do anything to get that money and pay you back.
No. You're not going to pay me back. Whatever I did for you, I did it for love. Yes, I didn't do it for you to pay me back. Don't worry, some people are still owing me. I'll go and collect my money from them and use it to start.
No problem, but I must pay you this one. Your business cannot stop because of me. Oh?
Dumeje, I did what I did for love. I've grown to love you so much. All through last night, I couldn't sleep. I was just thinking about you. Please, Promise me you will not hurt me. Please. I'm in love with you now.
And I'm in love with you too. I'm madly in love with you. I will not hurt you, I promise. I mean, you're a wonderful person. You're the only person who actually cares about me. I will not hurt you, okay?
Thank you.
This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be fun I am. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be fun I am.
Akweke, come here.
I will show you care from the little I have.
Akweke, hold your breath. What is good about the morning? I am asking you, what is good about the morning?
I don't understand, Mama.
Yes, you will not understand. You left everything you are supposed to do in this house and you went to where I don't know. Even to sweep this compound, you could not. Akweke, where are you coming back from?
I went to see a friend.
Which friend?
From my heart I say I do.
His name is Naija.
Gives me happiness.
Is he not the man that came here the other time looking for you? Eh?
He's the one, Mama.
Akweke.
Yes, Mama.
You are having an affair with that loafer.
Mama, he's not a loafer.
Hey! Akweke, you have killed me. Akweke, why do you want to bring shame and dishonor to this house? Can you hear Meregi? Okay, can Meregi Akweke? Eh? Of all the rich men in this village, you did not see any of them, but that good for nothing loafer. Akweke, what is wrong with you? Anyway, I don't have to waste my strength talking to you. Thank God that your father is back to the country. You have him to contend with, not me. Useless girl. Lego dear, I want to see my friend. Hey!
True love, it is unchanging, fading.
So Nani is right.
This is
love. I started seeing a man.
Hey!
You go at me.
He be fun I am.
Hey, if you want.
Don't cry.
Akweke must explain herself to you.
I'm here with you.
Stupid girl. I want to know if I'm your father or not. Whenever you're hiding.
It's too much.
Akweke.
It's too great, but it won't last forever. Smile for me. Smile for me, girl. We are in it together. Laugh for me. Laugh for me. We are going through it together. I love you from my heart. From my heart. So baby, don't panic. This is our choice. We're not going back. This is our choice. We've made up our mind. Oh, 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 oh. You are the one. I will live forever with you. Oh, 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 oh. You are the one. We will be together, baby. You are my best. You are my heart.
Yeah, Norma. Why are you the one sweeping the compound? Where is Akweke? Don't tell me she's not back from wherever she went to.
No, she is back. She is back, oh.
Did she tell you where she's coming from?
No, I suggest you go and ask her by yourself. Go with Ronnie Azara.
Akweke! 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 Akweke!
Papa! Hey, Papa, welcome.
Akweke!
Yes, Papa.
Since when did you become this stubborn?
Papa, I don't understand.
Where did you leave this house to early this morning?
I went to see my friend.
So, your so-called friend is more important than for you to make sure you do all the normal things you do in the house, like your chores, clean up the compound before going to wherever. By the way, who is this your so-called friend that made you leave this house that early?
His name is Dumeje. He's my boyfriend.
Odo yewo!
We love each other.
Odo minko! Odo mensai! Odo nibwe! Yeah! Akweke, so you're not keeping a boyfriend? Hey! F1.
Papa, since I was a child, you've always dictated my life. Now I'm grown up, allow me to make some certain decisions myself.
Eh? Odo yewo! So you're old enough now to know what you want up here? Okay, no problem. Wait for me. I'm coming.
You never told me you had someone in your life before me. I'm listening. Go ahead and talk.
Okay. I'm sorry I didn't tell you. But just like you said, I had. Not have. Had someone. That means it's all over. Her name is Ada. Okay, I dated her before I met you. One day she came here, said she was going to the city. I don't know what she said she was going to do there. She went there, she followed other men. Not just one man, different people. Because she loves money. Which, I don't have that much. But she left. And she moved on with her life. Me, God bless me with you. I moved on with my own life. Now she has heard that we are together and she's coming to make trouble. Oh, it's nothing. Okay?
Are you sure she's not going to pose as a threat to us?
Threaten who? Me? Don't wake up. It's nothing. Oh? Don't bother yourself. It's nothing. Believe me. Huh?
It's okay.
I'm sorry, sorry for you.
Let's eat.
I hope you still enjoy the food.
It's already getting cold.
I'll make it hot for you.